Okay, so today our topic is propositional logic and hardware. Here we will learn different propositional logics and different gates. A propositional logic or propositional is an elementary atomic sentence that may either be true or false but may take no other value. For example, it is raining. So either it is raining, it is true, or it is false. So that means a sentence that will have only two possible answers, either true or false, that will be called propositional sentence or propositional logic. Terms, different terms under propositional logic or propositional gate, like disjunction. Disjunction means or. It looks like P plus Q or P this sign or P or Q like this. That means P is, if P is true or Q is true, either P is true or Q is true. So in both of the cases answer will be true. That is called disjunction. If P is false, Q is false, both are false, then only answer will be false. Otherwise, if anyone is true, answer will be true. That is called disjunction or or. Conjunction. Conjunction is also known as and. That is P dot Q or P conjunction Q, P and Q or P and Q. That means P both means P is true and Q is true. Even in the both of cases, if the both are true, then only answer will be true. If anyone is false, answer will be false. If P is false or Q is false, the answer will be false. Only true condition you will get if both are true. Negation or not. That means P is false. Always the answer will be in opposite, not P or P not, like this. It can denote it. You can denote it like this. Okay, so it is called negation. So answer will be not. Assertion, a simple sentence. That means P is true. If P is true, looks like it is raining, then it is assertion. If it is not raining, it will be negation. This is called assertion. So P is true. If answer is always true, then it is called assertion. If answer is false, it will be negation. Implication. Implication means this is called implication. P implication Q. If P is true, then Q is true. That means the answer of Q will be depend on P. If P is true, then Q is true. If P is false, Q will be false. Next, equivalence. P equivalence Q. P and Q. If P and Q are true, that means in P and Q either both are true or both are false. Means it is not possible that P is true, Q is false, or P is false, Q is true. It is not possible. If both are true, if either both are true or both are false, that will be called equivalence. Now we will talk about different logic gates. Different logic gates like NOT gate. NOT gate, it looks like A naught, either this or this, or another one is there, that is this. So A naught, this is the NOT gate. It looks like A naught. So what will be the truth table? A and A bar. If A is 0, A bar will be 1. If A is 1, A bar will be 0. That is opposite of A. That is called A naught. Next, AND gate. A and B. Dot operator. It looks like this, and operator and gate. Y will be the output. So 4 possible outputs will be coming. A 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If A and B both are 0, answer will be 0. If anyone is 0, either A is 0 or B is 0, answer will be 0. Otherwise, if both are 1, then only answer will be 1. It is also known as conjunction. Next, OR gate. A plus B or A or B. It looks like this. This is the gate. Here A, B inputs and Y output. So in this case, if both are 0, then only answer will be 0. If anyone is 1, answer will be 1. It is called disjunction.